Hello everyone, I am Nitisha from the 9 Pointer and today we are going to make this Android logo in AutoCAD. So let's get started. I have taken this pan command. I will move our main drawing to one side. Now press escape and we will start drawing by this center rectangle that is of the width 50 units and height of 46 units. So let's go to this rectangle command. Now I am snapping the same reference point. You can start from anywhere you like. We'll click, drag, enter the width of 50 units, press tab, enter the height of 46 units and press enter. Now I will just select this rectangle and go to this explode command so that our lines work individually. Now we will make this radius of the unit 2.5. So for this, let's go to the and take this fillet command. At the bottom in the command line, go to this radius option. Enter the radius of 2.5 units, press enter, and then select this multiple command. Now we will select this line and select this line. Again, we will select this line and we will select this line. Now press escape. Now we will have to make this reference line. So let's go to this drop down. I have already loaded the center line. You can also load by going to this other command. Now I will go and select this load line command and make a line from the center. Press escape again in the top also. Okay, so now we'll go and make these legs. Our legs are of the height 11 units and width of 12.5 units. So let's make them first. We'll go and select this line command. Before that, let's change our layer properties. Now select our line command. We'll click, drag, enter the 11 units, press enter. Now 12.5 units, press enter, and again upwards of 11 units and press enter. Now for the arc, we are going to use 2-point circle. For that, go to the circle drop down, select this 2-point circle command, select this first point and this second point. Now we'll just trim these portions. So go to this trim command and trim them. Now select all these three lines and go to this modify drop down and select this join command to make this a single object. Now for placing them, our leg is placed at 12.8 distance from our reference line. That is the center. So let's go. Select this our leg. Now go to this move command. From this center, we'll go to this point and we'll give the extension of 12.8 and press enter. Now again select this, go to this move command, select this point and go vertically downwards until we get this intersection point. Now we will just mirror the same leg to the opposite side also. So select this leg, go to this mirror command and select our reference line and select no. Now we will go and take our trim command and trim these extra portions and press escape. So we are done with our legs. Let's go to our head. So our head starts at an offset of 3.8 units and we are getting the circle of radius 25 units. So let's make it. We'll go to this offset command, enter a distance of 3.8, press enter. Now select this line and select it upwards. Now press escape. Now here we can use 2-point circle also. Go to this drop down and select 2-point circle. Select this point and select the last point. Now we will just trim these extra portions. So go to this trim command, trim this part, trim this portion, and this portion. Now press escape. So for the eyes, our eyes are of the radius 2.5 units. So let's make a circle. Go to this drop down, select this center and radius. Now let's make a circle of radius 2.5 and press enter. Now we will place this eyes at a distance of vertically 14 units and horizontally 11 units from the center. So let's select this first. Go to our move command. We'll select this point. Now from this portion, we will extend it to 11 units. Again, select this circle, go to this move command. From the center, we will go vertically upwards till the distance of 14 units and press enter. Now for the opposite side, we will just mirror it. So select the circle, go to this mirror command and select this reference line and no. Okay, so we got our eyes. Now for the antennas, our antennas are of the height 13 units and width of 1.5 at an angle of 30°. Okay, and we are having this arc of radius zero point 0.8. So let's make it first. We'll go and take this line command. We will select this point and we will enter the distance of 13. Now press tab. Our inclination angle was 30°. So from the horizontal, it will be 90 plus 30, that is 120°. So 120 and press enter. Now press escape. Now we'll go to this offset command of distance 1.5 units. Press enter. Now select this line and click here. Now press escape. Again, we will go to this circle drop down and select 2 point circle. Select this point and select this point. Again, we will just trim the extra portions. So trim that. Now press escape. Here, let's just join all the three portions. So select all these and go to this modify drop down and join it. Okay. So where do we have to place it? We will have to place it at a distance of 8 units from this reference line. Okay. So we'll go and select this object. Now we will go to this move command. We will select this point and horizontally we'll go and enter a distance of 8 units and press enter. Again, select this object. Take this move command. Select this point and go vertically until the intersection. Now just trim these extra portions. So go to this trim command and trim this small line and this line. Now press escape. Now just select this line, just select this object and mirror it on the opposite side. So go to this mirror command and select our reference line and no. Again, we'll just trim this extra line. Okay. So we are done with our head, middle portion and legs. So for the hands, our hands are of a height 30.8. Okay, so let's just make line first. Go and select. So select one point and enter a distance of 30.8 and press enter. Now press escape. Here we see what is the width. For the width, our radius of this arc is 3.6. So our width will be the diameter, that is a double of 3.6, that is 7.2. So let's go to this offset command. Enter a distance of 7.2. Press enter. Select this line and offset it. Now we will go to this 2 point circle again. Sorry. Again, this will choose this 2 point circle. Select first point, select second point. Again, 2 point circle. Select this point and select this point. Now we'll just trim the inner portions. So take this trim command and trim these portions. Okay. Now for the placement, here we see the center of this arc is at a distance of 6.6 units from this portion. So let's select our whole object. Let's just join it. So select, go to this drop down and join. Okay, we don't have to join. Control Z. So select this hand. Go to our move command. From this circle center, if you're not getting the circle, go to the circumference, you will get the center. So select this point. Now from this point, we have to go downwards of 6.6. So go to this point, go to the extension of 6.6 and press enter. Now our horizontal distance. So for that, our whole distance from center to center is 64.2 and our inner portion is 50. So our left out portion is 64.2 minus 50, that is 14.2. So our half will be 7.1. So distance from this line to this center is 7.1. So let's just select our hand and go to this move command. Select the center, and from this point we will make a line of 7.1. Okay. We just have to do the symmetry using the mirror command. So select this object, go to this mirror command and select our reference line and select no. So here we are done with our whole drawing. Now let's just delete this reference lines and go to this hatch command. Go and select this solid hatch and hatch over these portions. So we'll select all these and we'll close hatch creation. So for printing, I'm just going to change the color of our dimension layer. Go to this drop down, click on this and change it to black and OK. And for the reference line also, I'm going to change the color to the darker shade of gray. That is OK. So let's just go to this layout one and go to this print option. Go to this drop down and select high quality print and OK. So we'll change it to Android logo and save. And here is our final print. So if you in the whole process, if you're having any doubt, any query, you can just comment down below or you can mail us on our mail ID also. And if you want to access this DWG file, go to our GitHub account or I will put its link in the description below. You can download it from there. So thank you everyone. Please do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned.